Hey everyone, if you're ready for today's workout, please like, subscribe, and comment below, and share this video with a friend. Let's cut to doing this 8-minute workout daily. Consistency is key to seeing results. Want a slimmer face and sharp jawline? Try this quick routine. Reduce puffiness, lift your cheeks, and define your V-line. Just 1 minute each. Let's get started. Start with gentle tapping and massage. Move outward and down your neck. Keep it light and smooth. Do this for 1 minute. Smile wide. Place your fingers on your cheeks and lift upward. Hold and repeat. Continue for 1 minute. Suck in your cheeks and hold the position. Relax and repeat slowly. Keep going for 1 minute. Tilt your head up and push your jaw forward. Hold, then relax. Repeat this for 1 minute.
Look up and pucker your lips like a kiss. Hold and release slowly. Continue for 1 minute.
Use your knuckles and glide upward along your jawline. Keep strokes gentle and upward. Do this for 1 minute. Lightly tap under your eyes using your ring fingers. Keep it soft and steady. Continue for 1 minute. Open your mouth wide and stretch your face. Relax slowly and breathe. Continue for 1 minute. Great job! Practice daily for best results and stay hydrated. See you next time. Before you go, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and comment if you like.